Welcome to this video, guys. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off antivirus and firewall on your Windows 11 system so that your PC runs faster. Press your Windows and I key together. It is the shortcut to open your settings. Now go to privacy and security here. Click on Windows security, and here you will see a list of areas that are protected. Now click on the first one, virus and threat protection. In this virus and threat protection settings, click on manage settings, and here you want to disable all the antivirus options. Just turn off all the features. If you're asked to, you want to allow this app to make changes, click on yes, and now you can turn off all the other things. So this is the real-time protection, and this is cloud delivered protection. That means your data in the cloud will be protected if you turn this on, and whenever there is a threat, automatic sample of the threat is submitted to Microsoft. If you turn this off, that automatic sample submission is also turned off, and now you can turn off this tamper too. So you have turned off a lot of features. Now you can go to firewall and network protection, and here as you can see, this is basically related to the internet. Domain network, private network, and public network. Firewall is on all these three networks. So you can just click on this and turn this off. Again, if you're asked to, you want to allow this app to make changes, click on yes, and now you can turn off these private network and public network firewall too. So now we have turned off real-time protection, antivirus, and firewalls. Now you can click on device security, and these are the security related to your hardware. So these are more in-depth. These are related to your hardware like RAM and your processors. I recommend not to touch these settings. And if you click on app and browser control, you can turn off this reputation-based protection. I've already turned this off. You can click on turn off. If this is turned on in your case, you can just click on reputation-based protection settings, and you can turn these off too. So this will allow you to install any app, and this will allow you to download apps and files from any software, from any websites. This is how you can turn off real-time protection, firewall, antivirus, and your browser-based antivirus. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.